Hey guys, it's Lexy. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be part 2 to the Halo Beauty Booster trial. This is my week 1 results update. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out the rest of my social media, links down below. Let's get started. Alright guys, so it is Thursday, March 29th, and it is 2:16 p.m., which means it is day 2 of my Tati little experiment. So we're gonna take the pill right now. Also, I'm wearing pajama pants. Holla! Alright, so I love this pink color. It's just so cute. Obviously, I don't know if that's worth like $40, but you know. Okay, so the pills, they're like really lightweight. I drink water and then put the pill in and it like kind of floats. Is that weird? Is that something interesting to you? It like floats, so it like doesn't go down my throat right away. So I have to take a lot of water, but I drink a lot of water anyway, so it's like okay. Just in case you're wondering why we're starting day 2 instead of day 1. Day 1 was my unboxing video and I took the pill already, or pills, just in case you were confused about that and haven't seen that video yet. Go watch it. It's linked down below and also in the card. Alright you guys, it is Friday, March 30th and it is 1:47 p.m. This brings us to day 3 of week 1. So we're gonna take the pill. Oh my god. Okay, here we are. Oh my god. Oh my god. So far, no noticeable difference, but it's only day 3. Hey guys, it is 10:21 on Saturday, March 31st, which means it is day 4, and I have to take my pill. There they are. I think my acne might be clearing up a little bit. I don't know if that's directly related to this. Hey guys, so it is a lot later than I normally do this, but it is 10 o'clock on Sunday, April 1st, so happy Easter. We went to brunch, and then we went to go see this IMAX movie about the Amazon at the California Science Center. Let me know what you did in the comments, but it is a lot later than I normally do this, but it's time to take my Halo Beauty. My makeup probably looks really bad because it's like the end of the day, but like oh my god, I just dropped one. It's okay, I found it. It's my own floor, so that's okay. I think it's day 5. If it's not day 5, it'll have the correct day on it. I'm wearing makeup right now, so you can't probably tell. I think the acne that I had at the start of this challenge is clearing up a little bit. I don't know if that's directly in relation to the pills. We'll see if more acne comes within the 30 days, which it probably will. So far, I haven't seen much of a difference. She predicted 2 to 3 weeks, and it's only been half of week 1. Not really expecting too many magic things to go down. Peace. Hey guys, so it's 1 o'clock on Monday, April 2nd. We're going to be taking our little pill. This is my laptop, by the way, in case anyone was wondering and like doesn't watch the vlog channel. That completes day 6. Yep, day 6, 1 p.m. Hey guys, so today is day 7. Oh, I've been eating hot Cheetos, that's why they're like right here. It is Tuesday, April 3rd, and it is 3:44 p.m. And that brings us to day 7 of the Halo Beauty little experiment. We're gonna take our 2 pills. Okay, I'm like matching. So far, it has been 1 week since I started taking the pills, and I haven't noticed any changes, good or bad. I haven't seen any results. She didn't say you would see results week 1, so I'm waiting till week 2, 3, 4. I haven't noticed any negative side effects. I feel completely fine. I haven't changed my diet at all, in case you were wondering. I'm still eating the same unhealthy food that I always eat. I don't eat this every day. And I also started a new video production class, so I'm really excited. And I also just uploaded my unboxing video for the boosters, and I'm hoping it's doing well. It like literally just went up 10 minutes ago. So if you haven't watched the first video, go watch it. It'll be linked in the description and also in a card. Also, I'm like blushing because I was eating hot Cheetos. Anyways, it's not like the pills or anything. I'm gonna go finish my hot Cheetos. Oh, I'm wearing pajamas. Yes! Okay guys, so that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and commenting down below anything else you want to see, your thoughts, comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I post a new video, because YouTube is really dumb and doesn't notify you and makes you subscribe twice, basically. Yeah, enough of my little rant about how YouTube is being weird. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I post a new video. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!